Hi, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to create a Facebook account in just 1 minute from your mobile phone. So let's get started. So first install the Facebook app from App Store or Play Store. Then open it. Once you open it, you will see a interface like this. So it's saying log into your existing Facebook account or create a new account. So we'll create a new account from scratch. So we'll click on this create a new account. So now click on get started. So now first you need to enter your first name and then last name. Okay, so my first name is Rohan and my last name is Nag. So I will use only the initials Rohan N. Then click on next. So now you need to enter your birth date. So for me it's 23rd of November 1993. Now I will click on set. Now click on next. So now you need to select your gender. You can either select male, female, or here you can see more option. Now you can identify yourself as she, he, or they, whatever you like. I'll select male, then I'll click on next. Facebook wants to access your contacts, so you can either allow it or don't allow it. So I'll click on allow. Now you need to enter a mobile number. You can be contacted via this mobile number for any security reason or if any hacking takes place. And also you will receive a SMS notification or OTP. So either you can enter your mobile number or you can sign up with email ID, whatever you like. I will go with mobile number because that's easy. So this is my mobile number. Now I will click on next. Now I will need to create a strong password which should consist at least 6 characters or numbers. Now I will click on next. Facebook wants to save my login info. You can either save it or choose not to save it. I will not save it, so I will click on not now. Now you need to agree on Facebook's terms and policies. Now I will click on I agree. So if you already own an account on this name, then Facebook will suggest you that account. You can either log in as your existing account or you can choose no, create a new account. I will choose no, create a new account as we are creating a new account. Facebook wants to confirm my mobile number, so it will send an OTP. You can either receive it via WhatsApp or via SMS. I will choose via SMS and now I will click on send code. So you can see that the confirmation code has come and it automatically entered. So now you need to add your profile picture. So click on add pictures, allow access, allow. Okay, so I have selected this. Now you can see the picture is enlarged. Now click on done. Now the account has been created. You are welcomed on Facebook. So Facebook is suggesting you to upload faster so that you can find more friends. Now click on next. You can find your friends from contact that's saved on your phone. So if you want to find them, then click on find friends or you can click on not now. Now you can add multiple people to your friend list. Just select on their profile and just click on add 6 friend, or you can skip this part. So click on skip. Do you want to turn on the notification? If yes, then click on turn on notification, or if you don't want to do this, then click on skip. I will click on skip. So now you see your Facebook account has been created. If you want to go to your profile section, then click on this. Click on see your profile. You can add cover photo from here. Click on add cover photo and upload photo. Then select the picture. I have selected this and I will click on save. Now my cover photo has been added. You can edit this profile and profile info whenever you want. So just click on edit profile. And if you scroll down a little bit, you see you can add here your current city, workplace, education, hometown, etc. and all the details about you, your hobbies and links. And you can customize your account as per your choice. So this is how you can create your Facebook account from your mobile in just 2 minutes. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.